Hey guys, so if you watched my last video, you may know that I just moved into my new home. And shout out to my cousin, she was my realtor, Brittany Waiters. So if you're in the San Antonio or Houston area and you need a realtor, I highly recommend her. She made this process easy and she helped me out so much. So this is her information here. She decorated so cute and left us a housewarming gift. So I thought, why not film me opening it? So now I'm a little bit more situated, but I want to check out and see what my realtor gifted me. I see some throw blankets, 1, 2, 3. So I guess this is for me, my husband, and Kassan. This is a bluey one. How cute. Cleaning cloth, Kleenex, got some plasticware. Okay, we got some hand soap. Very cute. So we got some toilet paper, paper towels, plates, pine sol, plastic cups, Kleenex, Clorox, bathroom Clorox, trash bags, and more Lysol cleaning stuff. Dawn Platinum. This is Wild Jasmine scent. Haven't smelled that. I didn't know they had this scent. Smells good. And then we got some stainless steel cleaner that'll come in handy for the fridge. No soliciting sign that no one ever follows, but it still comes in handy. All right. So I'm just gonna put this stuff away. I think this basket will be handy in the laundry room. So it's a nice sturdy basket. All right, so speaking of new stuff, I did get some packages. This one is by Maybelline. This is the Hydrated Lips Honey Shine. The new Lifter Gloss Honeyed. 5 new sheer shades with sweet like honey scent. So this is all the shades. We have honey, toffee, maple, toast, and caramel. Sounds really delicious. So there's an allergy warning. So this must be literal honey. Look, it has a little honeycomb. Okay, but let's get into these lip glosses. So this one is honey. I'm pretty sure we know why. A clear gloss. Love a good clear gloss. Let's do a swatch. Okay, so this is the clear one. Obviously, it has a nice clear shine on it. Toffee. Oh, toffee is cute. Oh, I like toffee already. So there's toffee. She's cute. She is cute. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm definitely a gloss girl. So this is right up my alley. I'm about to wear these out, okay? This is maple. Look at toast. Ooh, toast. Yes, toast. And then we have caramel. Ooh. Yes, I love it. Caramel. All right, so next PR thing is from L'Oreal Paris. I've been seeing this all over social media. I got this Skin Ink 2-in-1 foundation concealer, and then I also got the infamous L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. And we have 2 shades of the 2-in-1 foundation concealer. Cool Rose, number 400. All right, in the packaging, it looks like it might be my shade. So this is a cool tone, the color Rose. And then we have a neutral tone in 420. I liked 420 the best. I felt that it just matched my skin tone. And it is 2-in-1. It evens like a foundation and covers like a concealer. So it took me about 2 passes to get the coverage that I wanted, so it definitely is buildable. It had like a drying effect to it. It almost kind of felt like I had on face paint at first, but once it settled in, that went away. And you don't need too much, which is a good thing because not much comes in this bottle. I think it's like half an ounce of product. So if you're using this alone, it is self-setting and it gives a soft matte finish. Um, it claims to have 48-hour wear that's sweat proof and heat proof, and it's designed to be applied directly on freshly moisturized skin, and a patent formula that flexes to move with the skin. So from my experience with wearing it, it doesn't transfer as easily as other foundations. So I can definitely see the sweatproof and heat proof claims. Is it going to last you 48 hours? I don't know because I haven't worn any foundation for up to 48 hours. I think this is really good if you're an active person, if you like to wear makeup to the gym, like if you like to record yourself and film when you work out. This will have your skin looking really nice. Overall, I think it's okay. I would probably use this foundation concealer combo on days when I just want to apply one product, just kind of get that even skin tone look. I'm not really doing a full look. Just want to do like a foundation concealer type thing. This would be good because you only have to use one product and it's going to give you a nice airbrush look that's not like overdoing it. So I think I prefer to wear this alone and not do like a whole little makeup get up that I did today. So I also went ahead and tried one of these Maybelline lifter glosses. This is the number 30 caramel. I think it's really pretty, especially because I already have dark lips, so I don't really have to worry about liner or anything like that. This kind of gives my lips a nice shine and a nice little colored tint. The glosses are also very moisturizing. So getting back into the home stuff, I received this mattress vacuum from FIPO. So I'm going to take this into my room and put it to use. So this is the view from like my bathroom. So I have a lot of space in here compared to my old house. I can't really get a good shot. So I'm thinking about getting a king size bed because I have more space like along this wall. I'm in the market for a new mattress, but not until I get a king size frame. So I'm just gonna stick with what I got. I got this mattress maybe like 5 years ago from Living Spaces. So it is about time for a new one. But for now, I'm gonna just clean the one that I have. So also I was sent this mattress vacuum. And this is the brand right here, FIPO. And I've never thought to vacuum my mattress. It doesn't look really dirty. It just has kind of like lint balls on it from like the sheets and stuff. So this was pretty easy to assemble. So to take this part off and dispense the dirt and dust, you just push this button right here. Just press this button right here and this part will pop off. And then to put it back on, set this part and push it down. There we go. So as you see, it has a very, very, very long cord. So you shouldn't have any issues with that. So that green light that you see is the UVC technology, a light that has ultrasonic waves. It reaches deep into the mattress layers to remove 99.9% of unseen substances. So that's like skin flakes, fine dust, dust mites that you cannot even see with the naked eye. So it does help sanitize things. So if it's not even really dirty, like to the eye, it will help sanitize. That's kind of what I'm doing here. So I'm done, and this is all that was in there. It's really just lint balls from like the friction of the sheets and the mattress. So shout out to my mattress protector. It's been doing this thing. There's like, but it's really not bad at all. I can't really tell if it's dust or just like shards from the mattress because look how shiny it is. So I feel like it's not dust. It's just like the pieces of fabric. I just want to freshen it up a bit because I have had it for a while. And this is the Arm & Hammer Fresh Sensations Island Mist. So I'm gonna let that sit for a while. So as you can see, it was able to vacuum up all that Arm & Hammer powder, that freshener, because that's pretty much all that's in there, and just like a few lint crumblies. So my mattress was not bad at all, but you can see this vacuum does work because it vacuumed up all that. Powder with no problem. I will add that one disadvantage I didn't like is that when you vacuum up something fine as this powder, it'll kind of like fall out of the vacuum. So just hurry up and dump this out if you vacuum up something like this. Honestly, my couches could kind of benefit from this more. So I'm trying to decide if I'm just going to use it as a couch vacuum. Because as you can see, my mattresses literally don't get bad at all. And I wanted to add that this vacuum comes with 2 filters, one that's already in there and one you can replace it with. And the filters are washable and reusable. And something about this vacuum makes your kids want to help you clean. So that's a bonus. So we definitely got some dirt and dust this time around. I'm definitely going to deep clean these couches with my shampooer until I get some new ones. If you're interested in this vacuum, the link will be in the description.